Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? Hope all you are fine. And as you know, we all are in a very unpleasant situation that we have never seen before. So here, me, Shams Parveen, Assamese. I'm from EMSS, and today I will take a class of ICT that is from chapter 2 and lesson 11. Okay, so we have done the last class on chapter 10, that is use of network. Today also we will learn the same thing, the use of network. So first of all, I want to say all you are safe, right? Good. Now we can proceed for the class. See, last class what we have done. In previous class we have done the lesson 10, that there are some points that we have to recall our mind, recall our memories, that is use of network, information, database, e-ticket, retina scan, fingerprint, Dropbox. I have discussed all the points serially. Okay, so here someone asked me in the previous lesson, in previous videos, that he or she didn't understand or he want to know the definition of Dropbox. So it is not actually, there is no specific definition for Dropbox, so you no need to write definition. In that case, you can write that Dropbox is a device. Dropbox is a software. Dropbox is an online based software, and this software you can use in your smartphones, in your laptop, or your any type of smart devices or ICT oriented devices. So Dropbox, first of all, you can write that it is a software. It is a software that can be used in any smart devices with the help of network. And you can also tell that it is a part of cloud computing. That means cloud computing means we are storing our information online in the network. In Dropbox also it is a part of network, and we can store our information. So I hope all you can recall your mind that what is information, what is database, what is e-ticket, retina scan, everything. Fine. Now we'll proceed for our next lesson. That is our today's lesson. So in today's lesson we will know about the use of network, further points, further informations, that cloud computing, we will know about social networking, we will know about calling through network, entertainment, and retina state, running the state, that means running the country. Okay, for boys and girls, I hope you are enjoying the class, and you must enjoy the class. Go for the next one, that points to be noted. What we will discuss here today, the details about cloud computing, the difference between the different networking sites, social media sites, then the ways of calling through the network, and then we will proceed for the entertainment through network and running the state, how a country or a state is running by using network system or using networking system. All these points we have to keep in mind. So you must write all the points in your copy. Are you writing? I hope you are writing. Proceed for the first point. The first point is all about cloud computing. So what is it? It is very unfamiliar word. It was very unfamiliar word before. But now if we think of what is cloud computing by a short brief, we all can understand what is it. First of all, it is a storage. It is a storage. Secondly, it is a media, or it is a way of sharing information. Like we share information with each other every time. Is it? Like for communication purpose, we have to share our information. And here in cloud computing, we using the networks, using ICT resources, we can share the informations online. Suppose how we can tell. How can I explain this one? Let's have a try. So how can I explain this one? Suppose you are using, I am using here Windows 10, or in your computer you are using different version of Windows. Is it? So what is happening while one version is changed to another version? Suppose you are using the old version of Windows XP or Windows 7 or Windows 8 like this. So now new version open of networking, in that case new version like Windows 10, 11 or more than that, if it release, that time what will happen? You or me, anyone wish to use that one, is it? I wish, or you also can wish to use that one. That time it is not always possible to purchase every time. It is not always possible to purchase every time. So what we can do that time? We have to use the version. We have to download the version which one is free for all the users. Then after downloading that one, we can use it easily. Is it? It's possible. So due to the upgradation of the softwares, every type of softwares, every time they are upgrading. Like we are using smartphone, all we know that every time the smartphone companies are giving us the updates. Whatever the devices you are using, if your device is connected with the network, your device will also update, isn't it? You have seen many times. So in that case, it is happening in case of big softwares, in case of large softwares, huge amount of data, huge amount of resources there. In that case, we need some spaces. Okay, and we have to share information. We have to share the resources and information. In that case, cloud computing is used. Like for example, I can say that there is email system. Like you are using any type of email system. There is free service provider. You already learned from previous lesson, from chapter 5. What you have learned? Okay, so you have learned there is 3 types of service provider. That means most popular 3 types of service provider: Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail. So these service provider are giving you some space to use. Like you are sending email to someone, someone is sending you email. So in that case, all the emails are storing in the mailbox, isn't it? So while the emails are storing in the mailbox, that time what is happening? You are taking some space on the network, isn't it? So that time as you are using some space on the network, this way you are sharing your information with others. That means you are taking some space. That is the way of cloud computing. Okay. So how it is happening now? New type of service, that is cloud computing, and the idea is very simple, because any kind of information, if you want to, you can store online on cloud. That time you can easily use that one, handle that one. Like you have smartphone, you can easily access to the your Gmail account. You can easily access to your Yahoo Mail account. You have easy access to your Hotmail, or you are searching an information from Google or Pipilika. All these are like our website. Pipilika is Bangla software searching search website or search engine. It is better to say search engine. So by Pipilika search engine, we can search any type of information in Bangla. In that case also, Pipilika is helping us to search any kind of information. So how it is helping us? Like Pipilika has taken a space online, and that is a part of cloud computing. So I can give another more easiest example. Why I need to give example? Because cloud computing mostly 2 types. Some cases any organization is purchasing for the full time. Okay, any organization, any business industry, or any people also can purchase the thing, purchase the space, not thing, purchase the space for permanently. Like I have purchased, like you are purchasing a laptop. Like you purchase a laptop, you have a storage like 100 GB spaces. So same these cases on cloud, online, on the network, you can purchase some space for long duration of time or permanent. In that case, you have to pay money. And if you don't want to take the service for the long time, that means temporary base you want to use, that one you also can do. What is that one? Let's have an example. Like we know that for any wedding purpose, any birthday purpose, or any other reason, we purchase space from any convention center, isn't it? birthday party or wedding ceremony or anything, or any wedding cases, we purchase the convention center for a specific time, for like 2 days or 2 days, and when our time is over, we escape the place. Other person will again purchase the place. So temporary base in this way, and when if you need also, you can purchase the place on cloud, on a network, and you can use the space. And when you don't have to use anymore, or you don't want to use anymore, or you no need to use the space, you can leave the space. Okay, that means for temporary basis also we can use the space. Now see here, I have a picture here, cloud computing. I have discussed a lot. Now see what is cloud computing. I have a picture here. Now you see here some of the devices, software platform, server, application, storage, all is there, and there is router switch by this end user. That means they are using all these spaces. Okay. Now here also cloud computing, what is giving us, what opportunities it is giving us. It is giving us applications, database, then other public cloud, private cloud, then server, storage, mobile, all the things, all these appliances all together, it is a part of cloud computing. Now come to the points. Few of the points we have to keep in our mind about cloud computing. Okay, so what are the points? It's all about sharing information. Fine, note these points. Note these points in your copy. Dear students, please note these points in your copy, that it is all about sharing information. It's serviced by computer network of certain organizations. I don't know, though my video is clear, I'm telling the words. In that case, you can write it properly in your class or copy. Okay, so it's all about sharing information. It's serviced by computer network of certain organization. That means specific organization are giving us these services. I have given already a few examples about emails, about Pipilika. Fine. Then both permanent and temporary based, the services can be taken. That means I can use it permanently, and or if I want, I can use also temporary based. Then examples of cloud computing are email service by email service providers. I have already told it. Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, etc. And except this other example, you may think that this is in the book. All these examples in the book. So except all these, what can be other part? What are the other example of cloud computing? So what are the other example? I have also mentioned here. That is Netflix, Skype, WhatsApp, Dropbox, Google Drive, search engine like Pipilika. All are example of cloud computing. So I hope this point is clear. First of all, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is all about sharing information. Clear, boys and girls? Now go for the next point. Social networking side. I don't have to tell very much about this, as you know better or maybe much more than me. I think so. So now, what is social networking side? You all know that over the cloud, over the network, we are using some of the application software that is giving us to communicate with other people like our neighbors. Sorry, first of all, our family person. Okay, so our family person, our friends, our colleagues, all other person, and we can communicate. So what mostly we use? Right, we mostly use Facebook, and the young generations mostly use Instagram. I know you boys and girls mostly use Instagram. So see here, there are lots of icons here. I've tried to include lots of icons. This is a Facebook for sure, Instagram. Then which one we should know first? Google Plus, Twitter, that is very old. Obviously, this is the most used software earlier. Still now, maybe some cases it is first, then others. And most popular person, popular organization, all they have Twitter account from the very beginning. Okay, I know also. Fine. Next one, LinkedIn. Mostly the professional person. It's used for professionally. Like if you're a professional person, like I am a teacher. I am a professional person. I want to express myself professionally. I want to build my career in my area, more developed career. In that case, we used LinkedIn. Then YouTube, we know it was used for entertainment purpose mostly, but now for education purpose also it is used. Then Skype, so all these are the part of networking, but we firstly and for sure we will keep in mind Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Mostly Twitter and Facebook is used for social communicating, for social communication. Next one is calling through networking. That means in the networking system we are using calls. Network is giving us much more opportunities. Like we can not only call over mobile phone or telephone. Now we can call over using different apps. If you have network connection in your device, whatever it is, it can be laptop, your smartphone, desktop. So by using any ICT oriented smart devices, we can call and we can see also. Like earlier, the GP, different mobile phone companies, which one providing you that you can do only phone calls, voice calls. But for the video calls, these type of application softwares are giving you like Viber, Skype, and WhatsApp. Which one mostly using now? We are using for the teachers or the students for communication purpose. We are using Skype, mostly using different organizations. Fine, some cases some personal use. Someone like Skype, like I like Skype much, and I like Viber also much. Okay, so these are calling application, voice call. Not only voice call, these are also video call. That means as you can observe me here in the video. I'm taking a class like this. I can take a class by video call, by calling with these applications. Okay, so this is all about calling through networking. Through network we can call. Next one. So entertainment. When I tell entertainment, what comes in your mind? We go for shopping. This is not entertainment. Okay. We go for having some food outside, in food shops with the friends. Yes, it is entertainment. We go for playing at the playground. That is also entertainment. But all these are not possible now. You know all. We are in a very unpleasant situation. It is not possible. So who is our best friend in this situation? In this very unpleasant situation, actually, our smartphone, our computer, our family person, all these are most important now. So they are our entertaining thing. Or here, using computer, using ICT oriented devices, using network, we can entertain ourselves. So see here, by social networking over there, you can watch different type of videos of different drama or movie, anything. By digital photo, taking photograph, and by uploading this one in social communicating media, then listening music on YouTube or similar applications, then watch video, then video games, watching movies. Okay, most of us like to play games. Like boys mostly like to play the game. What is the name? What is the name? I forgot. Yeah, that one. I play COC, Clash of Clans, and you need network connection. Without this, it is not possible to play the game. Boys mostly play the game. I forgot the name. I don't know why I forgot the name. You must tell me the name in the video link. Huh? Good. So not only this type, other type of game. There are funny games. There are mathematical games, problem-solving games. Then there are other. Then there is Ludo. Also, some girls like to play, or family person, your mother, your grandparents also, they can like to play. That can be also play using using smart devices by the help of network. Got it? Okay, now see digital technology. Now you can connect your TV with the network. It is easily possible. And connecting your TV with the network, what you can do? You can play different movies, dramas by using YouTube, and also you can do different type of other things like play with group with the friends. With your friends, you can play with the groups. I have heard some of the cases that boys and girls, or boys, mostly boys, they are playing with their friend in a group using a smart TVs. That means through the network they are communicating with one another and discussing. Next one, come for the next one. Running the state. Running the state is, that means state means a country. We understand the state means country. That means a country is running, doing all its work properly. It is maintaining all its security, all the things, and in that case also ICT is helping. In that case also network is helping. That means through the networking system, they can easily, suppose, think about our country, any criminal, to search any criminal or any suspected person, they use network. They can trace the people where they are by using network system. It is easily possible. So what is happening to ensure the security and conducting the welfare of the country, it is used. Okay. So mostly we have to think that over the network actually what we are sharing. All these cases we are sharing information. And information is the most powerful asset, most powerful weapon. Most powerful asset or weapon for us. Okay, so all this for today. That means all these are lessons of today's. So what is the assessment? Come to the point. What is cloud computing? What is called cloud computing? I hope you all can answer. So first of all, cloud computing means all about sharing information. Very good. So next one, what are the social networking sites? Which two example is given in the book? I have told that two social communicating sites you have to keep in mind first. One is Facebook and one is, yes, you are right, and one is Twitter, not Instagram, boys or girls. Instagram is for the kids, but worldwide actually Twitter and Facebook is first. Next one, example of cloud computing. Some example I have given from outside and some examples you have book. So what are the examples? Good, very good, boys and girls. So examples are different service providers, email service providers like Yahoo Mail, Hotmail and Gmail, and side by side our Piplika also a part of cloud computing, and I have told other example like Skype, Netflix, from where we can watch movies. Yeah, download, we can watch movies easily, and other social sites. Okay, which technology is the part of cloud computing? So which technology is the part of cloud computing? Tell me, I'm giving you 1 minute. I will count the time. 1, 3, 4, 10, 15, 16, 40, 41, 50. You know, boys, I cannot count clearly, okay? 59. Okay, your time's up. Yeah? Right. Piplika. So Piplika is a part of cloud computing, or Piplika is a technology that is a part of cloud computing. Next one. So what is your homework? See here, explain the uses of computer network. This is homework number 2. Online class homework number 2, I guess. And one thing you must keep in mind, that ICT is such a subject that you think that you know all. Whatever you have, you know from your personal life, or from your parents, or just using the devices, smartphones or laptops or smart devices, you think that I know everything. Oh, this type of attitude should not be while you are learning ICT book, because while you are learning ICT books, you get the in-depth knowledge about different type of technologies, different type of ICT oriented system, different type of ICT oriented environment, different type of ICT oriented devices. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that I don't know anything, so I want to learn. So as you want to learn, so you will use the video to make you understand yourself, and at the same time you will use the the book as your content. The book is your main purpose. Read each and every word of your book. Don't neglect the subject because it is of 50 marks. There will be exam for 50 marks. Okay, and there is 8 questions. There will be 8 questions, and out of 8 you have to write 5. 25 MCQ, you know, as all. So what should do? As I said, first of all, make understand yourself, and secondly, read every single word, every single line of the lesson of the book. Thirdly, follow the instruction of the teacher. What your teacher instruct you in the class, that one, what teacher instruct in the class, you are writing in your class or copy, what instructions are teacher giving you for your homework, how to write the question, how to present the question, all the things you have to keep in mind. Okay, so presentation is very important fact. Suppose you know the point, you know the use of network, okay, all the points you know. But while we have given you write the question, that time you just writing your stories, what you know, Baba. That should not happen while you are writing. You should follow the teacher's guideline. Like if there is a question, explain the uses of computer network. So what you will write from lesson 10, from lesson 11, from these 2 lessons, we got almost all together, we got 10 points. All the point name you have to write and you have to explain. That one also we will mark in the book. This is your book. So all this here, thank you all. I'm closing this one. I'm closing because I want to show the book now. What we have to say in the book? Some pages like from where we will write information. Okay, so this para you will observe, this para you will write for information, this para you will write for database, and up to this you will mark yourself, there is database, up to this you will mark, and then proceed for the next point up to the passenger arrange everything for him or her. Up to this you will write e-ticket, then rest point you will write for retina scan or fingerprint. So one boy maybe asks what is retina scan. I said follow the lecture properly, that we have a retina in our eye. When you will learn science, science chapter 11, refraction of light, that time you will learn about eye. Over there you will learn that there are 3 parts of eye. There is a retina inside. So the retina is separate. Separate means unique for every person. Like what is the retina texture? What is the retina texture of mine? That will not match with you. Okay. What is the retina texture of my eye? That will not match with anyone in the world. So which one is your one? That will not also match with anyone. In that case, what is happening? By this one also person can be identified. Space out. Okay, search out. That's why retina is used for identification. That's why what is fingerprint? Our thumb, not only thumb, all the fingerprints are used for identification. Next one, this full you will write for Dropbox for sure. Come for the next one. Cloud computing, actually this is full part, but it is not always possible when the question will come that explain the use of network. That time you have to write full. It is not possible. So you summarize the full para. Summarize within 5 sentences. Okay. Summarize your words. That means this one you learn first. Summarize with your words using all this information. It is not like that you will write as your own from outside. You have to use the information of the books. Okay. So these 1, 2, 3, these 3 para. First of all, you will learn properly, summarize, and then make at least 5 sentences, and write that one in the point of cloud computing. But if cloud computing comes separately, then for sure you have to write all the information and what information you know, that one also. Last para you will write for social networking side. Then go for the next one. Next one is first, here you see there is 3 para. Okay, so in these 3 para, first one mobile phone calls, video calls, second one entertainment, and last one running the state. So you write the points name beginning of the each para. Okay, write the points name beginning of each para. Write the point name beginning of each para, or you can mark also the special point, the points name from the para. Okay, write the point name beginning of each para. It will help you to learn properly. So these 2 lessons all together we will learn use of network. These 2 para all together we will learn for use of network, and next class will be with lesson 12 and 13 the network related device. So your homework is online homework number 2, and this is ICT classwork number 3. Is it? This is ICT classwork number 4. Okay, this is ICT online classwork number 4, boys and girls. You must keep in mind, this is, I'm repeating, this is ICT classwork number 3, sorry 4, and online homework number 2. Okay, with this I will send some MCQs. That MCQs also you will learn and write in your classwork copy. And that is all from the lesson today. So again, I want to recall that the present situation is very bad, very awful, very unpleasant, very painful, as lots of people are dying. Today also 10 people died by the attack of coronavirus. So you have to be very careful. You have to be alive also, because I want not only me, all the people of the world, all the people of Bangladesh, all the teachers of Bangladesh, all the students of Bangladesh, they want that schools should be reopened. And only when it will reopen, the situation will come under control. And when the situation will come under control, when you will remain at home, I will remain at home. I will be safe, you will be safe. And we are safe, so the situation, maybe if Almighty wants, then all the thing will come under control. So we will all pray to Almighty Allah for each other, for remaining safe, healthy, and also we pray to Allah that the situation will come under control and I can see you all again. Thank you all.